Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to prevent other users from creating tasks in Task Scheduler on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa Start menu, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung Run. So dito sa Run command ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung keyword na gpedit.msc and then click mo lang sa OK. Alright, so dito sa local group policy editor and then dito lang sa local computer policy, select mo lang dito yung computer configurations and then dito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung administrative templates. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next ay dito sa administrative templates, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows component. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Windows component, scroll down at select mo lang dito yung Task Scheduler. So i-click mo lang siya. And then pop up itong kanyang settings. Alright, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang ditong i-select yung Prevent Task Run or End. So double click ka lang dito. And then pop up ito. Kailangan mo lang ditong i-click yung Enable. And then click mo itong Apply, click mo itong OK. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Prohibit New Task Creation. So double click on it. And then pop up ito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-enable ulit. So enable lang siya. Click mo itong Apply, click mo itong OK. And then next, ito yung last. Select mo lang dito yung Prohibit Task Deletion. So double click ulit. And then pop up ito. Kailangan mo lang ulit ditong enable. Click mo itong Apply, click mo itong OK. And then close lang natin. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So click mo lang itong Restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple para ma-prevent ang others from creating tasks in Task Scheduler in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.